Hey, what's up YouTubers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking about Caulk, and hot off the press, a brand new product that just hit the market. It's a DAP brand and it is called the Extreme Stretch. Now in the event that you've recently done some work to your house and you have used some caulk, and a few months have gone by and unfortunately you've noticed cracks in that caulk, well, I'm here to tell you, unfortunately, that caulk that you used is not extremely stretchable like this new caulk. As you know, over the months, whether it's winter, fall, summer, spring, that house contracts and expands with the temperature changes. And as your house does that, unfortunately, something's got to give, and chances are it's that caulk that you may have recently used. So let's go inside and talk more about this Extreme Stretch caulk. Inside and out the table, and here it is up close. Seals joints up to 3 inches, and this is a 600% total stretch. And again, it is called Extreme Stretch. And here's a couple cool features. Premium crack proof. Adheres to virtually any substrate or any surface. Paintable in 2 hours, which is awesome. Easy water cleanup and low odor, and this is for interior and exterior projects. Onto the back is additional information on the actual caulk. And what I do want to point out, for best results, apply in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And it continues on with the actual instructions, which is cool. Additional things I want to point out, this is a white colored caulk. In the event that you do want a different color, you want to verify that you are purchasing the correct color. This is a DAP brand, and the DAP brand is a very popular, well-respected brand and very reliable. So we definitely recommend that brand and this caulk. And one last thing, in the event that you are curious why I bought this Extreme Stretchable caulk, there is one place in my house that goes through a lot of shaking and stress. And because of that, unfortunately, you see little cracks. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So do us a favor, there's a video scrolling at the top that will show you everything that I'm talking about right now, as well as running through a couple additional projects where we use this caulk. That's it, I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome.